Hello again, just another quick product demonstration. So in Wing Tools there is this section called Source Management, and I will briefly show you what it does. So let's assume you have a Wing rack and your band patches every input on the local inputs, the XLR inputs on the back of the mixer. And now for a larger gig, you suddenly want to use the AES50A inputs with the stagebox. At the moment, all these inputs are unpopulated, and the question is how to get all those settings, which are already done here, to the other input. This is where the source management tool comes into play. I just load up the snapshot right here. This is a preparation snapshot. So, and now I can add remappings. That means I have a source group. In my case, that's the local inputs of the Wing rack, and I want to move the configuration to another input, which would be the AES50A in this case. I click Configure Remapping, and now I can copy all the properties of my local inputs to this other source. I can change by group. If I wanted to reorder the channels, maybe the drums are on a different stage box and I need to put them back here. So let's do that. Now I get a conflict because already those channels are there. So I put these channels on 1 to 8. And now I have swapped channels 1 to 8 with channels 17 to 24. They just change places. I can choose which properties I wanted to copy. In this case, most interesting is the name, because the rest is from a preparation show which had no gain settings. Also the icons and colors are preserved. I save this remapping. I could now do more remappings, like if I want to move some channels to stage connect or something like that. And now I will just generate a modified snapshot. It's now downloaded. Let me briefly open it. So, and my new snapshot has channels 1 to 8 swapped with 17 to 24, and also we are now on the source group AES50A. So this way you can quickly switch your input-output setup to use different stage boxes, different layouts on the stage, without having to worry about having to do all the gain setting, phantom power and stuff again. Thanks for your attention.